Tish Vlogs. We have an intro. Yeah.
Hello. It has been a long time since my last vlog, and actually it's very awkward that I'm talking to myself again, but I'm talking to you guys. So I'm with Bam. Say hi. Hi. And he is my nephew.
Stop saying that.
Why? You're my nephew. And excuse the mess. I actually slept here on the floor because my new chihuahua. Wait, hindi pa ako sure kung na-share ko na ba sa inyo. Maybe in my Instagram, but in my Facebook page, I haven't shared anything there yet. But I have a new chihuahua. So, my parent na si CY. So, I have another chihuahua. Girl naman, long-haired. And her name is City. And yeah, I'm back home because it's the holidays and all. So anywho, ito na naman ako, nagdadaldal. And I actually took a very unexpected break from making any videos. And super tambak na nga yung mga nasend na PR because I haven't reviewed any of them. I'm not sure if I'm going to do an update on why I stopped, what happened, or whatever. Maybe not. Kasi medyo madrama, I don't know. But what I can say is, right now, all is well. I actually cut my hair. It's so short. And I got bangs again. And I still don't know how to style my hair. So, may mga JJ na naman ako dyan. But join me guys on what I'm going to do for today because ang dami. Ano nga ba gagawin natin ngayon, Bam? What? Did you understand what I said?
No.
Ano ang gagawin natin ngayon? Ano yung gagawin ko ngayon?
You can do a YouTube video.
Oh, see? He understands Tagalog, but he's not that confident to speak in Tagalog, right?
Yeah.
But he can like translate sentences, simple sentences in English.
Oh my God.
Oh wait, Bam, listen.
Yeah,
What does kumain ka na ba mean?
Eat now.
No, kumain ka na ba? What is that?
Are you done eating?
No. What
Did
is
you eat already?
Yes, did you eat already? How about natatae ako?
You're pooping now.
No.
And because I'm gonna play.
You're good to okay.
Do not even disturb me because I'm playing this.
Okay, sorry.
You didn't even see what I'm playing.
What's that?
Didn't.
Oh, that's an ad.
I'm playing this.
Okay. It's okay.
Into the dead once again.
Do not disturb daw. Okay. Supposedly, my mom and my brother and I are going to film a video. I think it's going to be a fun video na lang for entertainment purposes. Kaso, super pagod na raw sila. They wanted to relax, blah, 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 blah. And napagod na rin ako since I helped my dad. He has a project dun sa other lot namin na he wants to build a gazebo, and instead of hiring a carpentero or what have you, siya na yung gumagawa. So, inuunti-unti niya kasi yun yung gusto niya, personal project niya. And supposedly then, gagawa ako ng review nito. Ano ba to? Sunkill RX Natural 100 blah blah blah. And this is in my Caris shop. Pinadala siya ng Caris. Gagawin ko siya ng review. And I'm going to see if it's a good sunblock for my acne scars. Ayan na pala ang result ng acne scars ko. Drastically gone talagang yung ano na lang, yung pagka-dark niya and all. Wait, napapakita akong nakakatawa. So here are my gifts. Every 24 kasi bibigay ako ng gifts sa dito lang naman sa immediate family. And since Nico used to help me wrap things because I don't know how to properly wrap things. So since hindi siya nakatulong, although siya yung bumili ng mga gift, ito ang nangyari. Plus, naubusan na ako ng wrapper. This is what I'm going to give my sister-in-law. Pero syempre, hindi naman bigas. Naisip ko lang, funny lang kasi, ano siya, iba. Yan lang yung wrapper niya. Featuring the paa of your daddy. Will you give me? Yes. Yes, wow!
Wala pala siyang kasi.
Show your face. Why are you crying? You want your? Mommy, oh, she'll be here soon. She'll be here soon. How about you? Who do you want? Do you want your mommy? Oh, you hug your baby sister so that she will stop crying. Oh, you hug. Oh, say, don't cry, don't cry. Easy, para kang nag-chant ng kulto. Oh, natapos ka na. And ano ang nakatahimik sa kanila? Chucky. Thank you so much. Chucky, sponsor us. Para quiet ng kids. Sponsor us. What did you say, Bam? I'm still wearing the same pajamas because?
You didn't take a bath for 10 years.
10 years? No. I
If
just
someone is watching that, they will just laugh at me.
Yes, they will laugh at me because I'm such a gross person. Very gross. Why are you laughing? My gosh, ang gulo. Ang gulo ng kwarto ko, grabe. So, what did we just do? We finished practicing your presentation, right? You're
Yes.
going to dance on the 25th. And are you a good dancer?
And which is after tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you a good dancer? Yes. Yes. Are you excited for your number?
Yes. And what is the paper in the aircon? I see a paper that's stuck.
Okay.
Yo, come
Wait lang. Tignan ko muna. Bam, what are you doing?
I think.
What are you doing? Why are you doing that?
To make this cool.
Again, Chucky to the rescue. And can I, what do you call this? Can I
Yes.
drink this?
Yes.
Thanks for sharing. As you guys can see, my room is a mess. So, it has been a long time since I tasted Chucky. And oh my gosh, the taste is so different. Parang nagbago na yung lasa nila compared nung maliit ako. Parang ngayon mas maraming milk.
What did you just say?
Parang ngayon, parang mas maraming milk. Do you know what does that mean?
Why didn't you not do a Hello Neighbor video yesterday? You
You
still know how to play Hello Neighbor.
He's
right?
forcing me to do gaming videos, but I'm a noob. I don't know how to play. I'm not good at it.
You said you know how to play Hello Neighbor, right?
Yes. Pero tama ba? Parang
when I
iba
jump
yung
to the
lasa
other-
ng Chucky.
When I jump to the other roof, I
What?
don't even make it. I just fall on the grass.
Okay, I
Or
don't
that
even
one.
know what he's saying. Pero parang
Can't you just-
iba na to. Okay,
Just
okay.
do it.
So, Mommy just went home, and these are some of the groceries that we're going to use for the 24th and 25th.
Yes, hello.
Oh, Yaya, nabingin na. Ay, wow, narinig niya yung tinawag ko siya. There.
Tita, oh.
So, I have to cut the vlog short kasi supposedly, isasama ko pa yung magkukuk and all, pero gawa lang ako siguro ng separate vlog because I think it's going to be long. Pero ayun na nga, nag-nosebleed si Bam. Tagal niya nag-nosebleed, mga 8 minutes and talagang nalaglag na dito. And then, my mom got back, so magluluto na kami to prepare for the 24th and the 25th. So, luto-luto and luto pa rin ako kahit walang ligo. So, thank you guys for my CHOPSUEY vlog. Very CHOPSUEY ang vlog na ito. Hindi ko nga alam. May interesado ba? Hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung vlog ko. Steps, baby steps ang pagbalik sa YouTube. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you on my next vlog. Magluluto tayo sa next vlog.